going to show you all how to use an RV toilet. I promise it's not intimidating. Let's look over the basics of it. You have a basic lid. If you have this kind, it's a Dometic plastic toilet. All of the toilets have a feature where after you flush, they fill back up with a little bit of water as long as you're hooked into water. And these are plastic toilets, so be mindful of that. Down here is the foot flush, and that is how you flush your toilet. Let's talk a little bit about how to use the toilet. So if you go number 1, if it's yellow, you just push it down. That's what happens. Like I said, it refills a little bit of water. But if you're going to go number 2, what should you do? You're going to half press your foot just until the water starts running. And you're going to want to fill it up to a level that would be similar to when you were in your home, your toilet at home. You're going to stop. I also like to put a nest across the toilet. Essentially, when I make a nest, I make it in a star pattern, and there's a reason for this. Instructional purposes, we've used graham crackers. Don't be alarmed, it's not actual poop. But now you see that it has fallen on the star. You're going to flush just as usual. Put your foot on the foot flush. You just want to do a swift movement straight down. Don't hold it, just go straight down, and gravity is going to take everything down with it. Here we go. Seem excessive to some people, but it will stop you from having to clean your toilet bowl a whole bunch because these toilets are a little bit different and they make things around the bowl, if you catch my drift. Now wash your hands, and that's how you use an RV bathroom.